You'll like this. This man. Good day, y'all. Hey, it's Lauren with my Sincerely Imperfect Life. Today I'm gonna do something exciting for me because everything that I'm using today is from my own garden. So I just recently decided to go ahead and do raw vegan to lose a little more weight and to boost my health more a little bit. And I got some things from my own garden and I'm very excited. I have yellow squash, nice and cleaned and from the garden. It's pretty, ain't it? It is. And then basil from my basil plant. So what I am going to do is vegan pesto and yellow squash zoodles. It's real easy. All the basil, all you need to do pesto is the basil, olive oil, but I don't have any olive oil because I don't really buy it anymore. But I have grapeseed oil, and that's what I'm gonna use. Usually it's a lemon, but I have lime. I have key lime, so I'm gonna use key lime, fresh garlic. That's all to it. I don't use pine nuts. Not a big deal. I just don't. And I'm just gonna do the thin spiral on this and put it all together. Maybe tomatoes in it. I got to check the refrigerator to see if I got it. But that's all to it. A little salt in it, and like I said, fresh garlic, and that's all to the pesto. The longest part of this thing is doing this boy. But basically you put it all in a food processor and process it up and then mix it together and you got you some pesto zoodles, right? You know, so we gonna get started. Pesto, but I realized that my chopper does not work anymore, so I'm gonna use the blender. Vitamix will help. It'll be fine. Alright, so I got my Vitamix. About a cup of basil. Smells good. That's the basil. I don't have even fresh garlic in my refrigerator. That's crazy. So I'm gonna have to use this minced garlic. I like garlic. Garlic makes everything better. Grapeseed. Key lime now. Like I said, it's usually lemon, but it ain't in my refrigerator. Key lime is, and that's what I'm gonna put in mine. So. That's how it looks. And we're gonna pop that top side. Add some salt. Alright, so now I'm gonna pop that top on. It's got that oil in it. Oil, and then the basil, garlic, salt. Alright, so actually didn't work with the blender, so I'm gonna have to make my chopper work. So we'll see. All right, so I had a small chopper, and that's the one that broke. And this one, the big one, is pretty old. That's what I want to call it, old. But we're gonna try to make it work, because I really want this pesto. Rice. You know, rice up here, sugars. A very loud noise. You're not gonna want to be in here. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like pesto from here. Alright. See, it's not even that much, and that's why I'm like, Okay. We're gonna try though. He's gonna go running. My little. It's not gonna be as if it's what I would want it to be. No, I'm good. Ooh, that's good. Yes. That's as good as I think it's getting today, y'all. I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna put some red onion in it. Ooh, some red onion. And I'm gonna see if I have a tomato. And we're gonna mix it together and it's gonna be done. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. Matter of fact, move you out the way. That's the crooked neck one.
What Catherine, what is that? You know what that is? Yellow squash. It's yellow, right? You like that?
No, it's not one like this kind. Get lost me. Get lost me.
Yeah, what's good?
I don't have any tomatoes. That is what I made for myself tonight. And I think it tastes really good. Me tasting the pesto, because it's just raw yellow squash, so yeah. You like pesto? You like this? This man. Anyway, I've done this like when I wanted zoodles, and I would heat it up, and it was really good. But since we're doing raw vegan right now, this is where it's at. I'm enjoying this, y'all. Put a little black pepper on top of this. Man. I recommend, if you like basil or pesto, do that. And if you don't want it vegan, put some Parmesan in it. If you want the nut in it, put the pine nut in it. But I keep it simple. And I don't have pine nut in my house, and I don't choose to buy any just for one thing. So this is what it is. This is my pesto. So enjoy, and thank you for watching. And always comment, share, like, subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.